How to get profit from trading. Trading can be a way to potentially earn profits, but it's important to note that trading involves risks, and there are no guarantees of making profits. It requires knowledge, experience, and careful decision-making. Here are some general tips that may help you improve your chances of making profits from trading. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Education and research. Start by learning about different trading strategies, financial markets, and instruments. Educate yourself about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and other relevant topics. Stay updated with market news and trends. Develop a trading plan. Create a well-defined trading plan that includes your goals, risk tolerance, preferred trading style, and strategies. Having a plan helps you stay focused and disciplined, reducing impulsive decisions. Practice with paper trading. Before risking real money, practice trading using virtual or paper trading accounts. This allows you to test your strategies and understand how different market conditions impact your trades without incurring actual losses. Risk management. Implement proper risk management techniques to protect your capital. Determine the maximum amount of capital you are willing to risk per trade and set stop-loss orders to automatically exit a trade if it reaches a certain loss level. Start small. Begin with a small amount of capital that you can afford to lose. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your position sizes. Practice discipline. Stick to your trading plan and avoid emotional decision-making. Greed and fear can cloud judgment. Set realistic profit targets and don't chase after unrealistic gains. Keep a trading journal. Maintain a record of your trades, including the reasons behind each trade, entry, and exit points, and the outcome. Analyzing your trades can help identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Continuous learning. Stay updated with market trends, attend webinars, read trading books, and follow reputable financial news sources. Markets are dynamic, and staying informed can help you adapt to changing conditions. Remember, trading involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or professional trader to get personalized advice based on your individual circumstances and goals. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.